Hi, today in this video I will show you how to set up updated goal ads enhanced conversion tagging. And here you can see this is my form and this is the Elementor form, and I have already created my tagging codes. This is so now I just copy and go to my goal tag manager, then s- select custom HTML tag and add this and select all paste together and custom HTML tagging tag. Okay, this is the tagline. Okay, now save, and now I'll go to preview for testing. Okay, okay, it's connected, and here you can see it's unknown, it's showing unknown. Just refresh this page and connect again. Okay, it's connected. GTM. Okay, it's okay now. Okay, now let's complete the form. Okay, if I click to send, then the form is successfully filled. Okay, now let's check, and here you can see the Elementor event is coming here. Okay, now let's check in the detail layer. Then here you can see, okay, in the input sections you can see the email and the phone number. Okay, so now let's collect this. First go to the variables. Okay, now, okay, I already created, just remove this one. Okay, now select data layer variable. Okay, now first copy inputs dot this section, this one, just copy everything and paste here. Okay, and it will be named data layer variable DLV customer email. Okay, that's it. Now save. Okay, now again copy this one for phone number. Okay, now copy the phone number element. Okay, that's it, and paste here before input, before dots. Okay, okay, it's done. Just set now. Okay, it's done. Okay, now let's create goal ads tag. This is my goal ads account. Now I'll create a goal ads tag. Yes, sorry, goal ads conversion. Okay, you need to scan your URL here. Okay, it's done. Just then select AdsMetricX like your goal at stack. This one, not GA4 or another one. Okay. Then click to continue and select submit a lead form. Okay. Then manual with code. Then conversions, it will be primary. Then add your conversion name like goal ads conversion, goal ads lead conversion. Okay. Now here you need to select goal tag. Then you need to select here one, and this one you can choose like 3 days, or first time you just keep same. Okay. Then here you just select any, this one just as a check mark. Okay. Select as a check mark. Okay. Then done, and select continue. Okay, it's done. Then select goal tag manager. Here you can see goal as conversion ID and leave it. Just copy the conversion ID. Okay. Now go to the new tag. Then select goal ads. First you need to select goal tag. Then add AW. Then add your conversion ID. Okay. Change the name goal ads tag. Okay, here it's done. Now again new. Select again goal ads. Then conversion linker. Enable this one and add all pages, or you can choose this one, any initializations all pages. Okay. Then add conversion linker. Okay. Now again go goalers. Now at this time you need to select goalers conversion tagging. Okay. Now I already copy. After that I again copy this the conversion ID and add the conversion ID here. Then copy the conversion label, add the conversion label. I don't have the value and transaction ID or currency, so I just keep empty. Okay. Then select the trigger. Oh, sorry, I did not create any trigger. Just click the custom event. Then go to the data layer. Then here you can see it will, my event is Elementor from submit. This is the event. So I just copy this one and add here. Okay. Now, okay. Now change the trigger name lead trigger. Okay. Just save. Okay. It will be automatically added. Okay. Now change again. Go let's lead tag. Okay. Save. Now I will set up user provided like enhance conversion tag. Go to Google Ads, then select Google Ads user provided data event, add conversion ID. Just copy the conversion ID and add here. Okay. Now in the user provided data, select click new variable, and now select your variable like customer email and phone number. I don't have this information, so it's just keep empty, and change the name enhance conversion user data. Okay. And choose the lead tier. Okay. Now add Google Ads user provided enhance conversion tagging tag. Okay. That's it. Okay. Now here just click to finish, and here you can see it's showing waiting conversion. Okay. So now test here. Okay, just go to preview. Okay, it's connected now. Okay, it's now let's test and send. Click to send. Okay, the form is successfully fired. Now let's check the event. Okay, event is coming here and here. Okay, on mate, it's showing unknown. So I will test again. Just refresh this tag. Okay, if if here it will showing unknown, then it not working properly. So just refresh here and test again. Okay, okay, I will test again and click. Okay, now let's check again. It's coming event. Okay. Here you can see my Google Ads lead tag successfully showing success. And here also, now let's check the enhanced conversion for user data. Here you can see my email and phone number showing properly. That's it. Also here you can see it also working properly. Now let's check Google Ads. If I refresh, okay, it will taking some time to showing this in the status active. Okay. So it will maybe taking some time. So now it's working properly. That's it, the updated Google Ads enhanced conversion tagging tab. Okay. So if you want to set up this type of conversion tagging, you can contact me on my through my website. This is my website. It's okay. This is my website. And if you scroll, then here you can see my form and you can direct contact me through my WhatsApp. So if you want to set up this type of tracking, Google Ads enhanced conversion tracking, then you can contact me. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.